Understanding, heard it all before, mastering English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and unlock the secrets of its expressions and idioms. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase, heard it all before. Whether you're watching a movie, listening to a song, or having a conversation, you might come across this expression. But what does it really mean? Stay with us as we break it down for you. The phrase, heard it all before, is used when someone wants to express that they are already familiar with the information being presented to them, often implying skepticism or disbelief. It suggests that nothing being said is new or surprising to the listener. This expression can be used in both casual and formal contexts, but it's essential to understand the tone and situation to use it appropriately. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in real-life situations. 1. In a conversation, imagine someone is making excuses for being late again, and you've heard the same reasons multiple times. You might say, "I've heard it all before," showing your frustration and disbelief. 2. In media and literature, characters might use this phrase to express their skepticism towards promises or statements made by others. It can add a layer of complexity to dialogues, showing a character's previous experiences or doubts. 3. In the workplace, if a colleague presents an idea that has been discussed and rejected multiple times, you could use the phrase to indicate that this suggestion is not new or particularly helpful. Understanding the context and the relationship between the speakers is crucial when deciding to use this expression. 1. Consider the tone. The phrase can come across as dismissive or cynical, so it's important to use it with the right intonation and in the right context to avoid offending someone. 2. Know your audience. This expression is best used with people you are familiar with or in situations where a bit of skepticism is acceptable. 3. Alternative expressions. Depending on the situation, you might consider softer alternatives like, "I'm familiar with this information," or "This sounds similar to what I've heard before," especially in more formal or sensitive contexts. Understanding and using expressions like, heard it all before, can significantly enhance your English communication skills, making your conversations richer and more nuanced. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use this phrase effectively. Remember, language is a powerful tool that reflects our experiences and emotions. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.